Hey there, today I'll be showing you how to recover deleted photos from iPhone. To recover a deleted photo from iPhone, try a few alternative methods, which are all covered in this comprehensive article. Entering the recently deleted photo folder is the first step toward retrieving a deleted photo. If you are not sure when to delete a photo or video from your iPhone, it is actually placed in a folder for a period of time that is, I believe, 28 or 30 days, after which it will be removed. To access the auction for recently deleted items, navigate to the Albums page by going to this folder. From there, scroll all the way to the bottom of the page. Once there, tap the auction for recently deleted items. To view it, use your Face ID or enter your passcode. And this is the picture that I went ahead and erased, as you can see. To go ahead and retrieve it, simply click on it and then tap on Pick. After that, you can go ahead and tap on Recover. So press Recover Photo to get it back in my photo library. Nevertheless, if you remove the image or video from the recently erased folder, there are a few techniques you might attempt to get it back. Another method for recovering deleted images is to see if you sent them to someone via iMessage, WhatsApp, or another messaging service, such as Facebook Messenger, where this particular photo was removed, even though it had already been given to someone, in which case it will remain accessible. Therefore, if you feel that you must share the picture somewhere on Instagram, Snapchat, or in a text message, for example, you may be able to retrieve it. Here it is. If I wanted to go back and save it, I could hold my finger over it in this manner and then tap Save at the bottom. Alternatively, I could always go ahead and take a screenshot of it. Therefore, the next thing I advise you to do is to see whether you can retrieve your images from iCloud if you previously saved them there. In that case, enter your settings as shown above. Then proceed to the top where your name appears along with Apple ID, iCloud Media, and Purchases. Tap there, then select iCloud from the menu. If you select apps using iCloud, you will notice that we have the Photos option. Tap there. As a result, I haven't synchronized my phone with my Outlook iCloud photos yet, and I haven't done so in a while. Any photos that I have since erased from having this iPhone sync turn off, all of the iCloud photos will re-download onto my phone if I go back and turn this on. But if you turn off yours recently, you can turn it back on and hopefully the photo you deleted from your iPhone will still be in the iCloud because you turn off the sync. This is very important to note. Meanwhile, if you turn yours off, you can go back and turn it on again. Hence, it wouldn't have been erased, but as I mentioned, if they are synchronized at the moment, then when you went to remove it from your phone, it would have also been removed from iCloud. The next approach will function if you have recently backed up your iPhones to your computer, either Windows or Mac. This is because you might have backed up all your images if you have had any issues. Now, connect your phone to your computer. If you are using Windows, open iTunes in this manner. If you are using a Mac, open Finder. If you are using an older Mac, launch iTunes. To restore the deleted photo or video using iTunes, navigate to the phone symbol in the upper left corner of the program and click it once more. This will take you to the phone page. It's only going to work if you went ahead and made a backup of your iPhone both before and after you took the picture. So in other words, you need to confirm that the photo is included in the backup. You can find out when you last backed up your phone to iTunes by visiting to this link. As you can see, I last did this in April of last year. So any pictures I shot that were on my iPhone at the time that were taken before that date would have been backup. I could thus go ahead and restore my phone to that backup there and go get the photo back. Nevertheless, it is crucial to remember that if I restore to this backup, I will lose everything I've done since the last backup. Don't worry though, If this happens and you think you can recover the deleted photo by going back to your most recent backup, the first thing you should do is back up your iPhone right away so you have the most recent backup of everything up until now. And after you have backed up everything up, you can restore to the most recent backup. However, as I previously mentioned, you will lose everything because that backup is the most recent one, so everything from the previous year will be lost. Afterward, you can search for the pictures that you have since deleted. You can locate them, go ahead, send them to someone or anything via email or upload, and then return to this page. Select Restore Backup and choose to restore to our most recent backup that you have taken today. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.